Learn easy multiplication tricks. First, 3-digit multiplication by 2-digit number. First, a table 6 times is 48 and 4 carry. No, a table 5 times. A table 5 times is 40 and 5 4 carry add is 44 and 4 carry no, 8 7 time is 56 and 4 carry 8 is 60. No, 60. Multiplication first digit number under. No, 7 6 time 42 and 4 carry. 7 5 time 35 and 4 carry 8 39 and 3 carry. No, 7 7 time 49 and 3 addition 52. No, addition all these digits. First, no, we are adding all these numbers 8 and 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. No, 9 and 6 plus 2, 8 and 5. Our right answer. No, we are going to know next digit number multiplication. 3-digit multiplication by 3-digit number. First, we read 4 table 8 time. 4 table 8 time is 32 and 3 carry and 3 carry 3 carry no 4 6 time is 24 and 3 add is 27. No, 27. We are writing 27 but 2 carry. Always left number carry. No, 4 9 time is 36 and 2 8 is 38. No, we are writing here 38. No, again multiplication under first digit. No, 7 table 8 time. We read 7 table 8 time. We read 7 table 8 time is 56. 56 5 carry. No, 7 table 6 time. 7 table 6 time 42 and 5 carry is 47 and 4 carry. 7 table no 9 time is 63 and 4 carry 8 is 67. First digit leave and second digit multiplication under these graphs. No, 3 table 8 time. 3 table 8 time is 24 2 carry. 2 carry. No, 3 6 time is 18 and 2 carry at 20 and 2 carry. No, 3 9 time is 27 and 2 carry 8 is 29. No, we are going to addition. All these number get from multiplication digit number. No, 2 and next 7 6 13 1 carry no 1 add all these numbers 1 add all these number and 2 carry 7 plus 3 10 and 2 carry 8 12 and we have 1 carry no 6 9 10 15 and 1 carry at 16 and 1 carry 2 1 carry at 3. Our right answer is this is 3-digit multiplication by 3-digit number. We are going to know 3-digit multiplication 2-digit number. Learn easy. It is very easy for basic multiplications rule. 2 7 time is 14 1 carry always left digit carry 2 6 times 12 and 1 carry add 13. 1 carry again. 2 3 times 6 and 1 carry add 7. We are going to write 7. No. 3 7 time is 21. 3 7 time is 21 and we have 2 carry. 3 6 time 18 and 2 carry 8 20 and 2 carry. 3 3 time 9 and 2 carry add 11. We are going to write 11. No. 2 7 time. 2 7 time is 14. 2 7 time is 14 and 1 carry. 2 7 time is 14 and 1 carry, and 2 6 time 12 and 1 carry 13 and again 1 carry. 2 3 time 6 and 1 carry add 7. Addition of 4 4 11 1 carry 4 plus 1 carry 5 and 8. Our right answer 7 1 is 8 addition.